Welcome to Crofts Estate Agents. We're here on Edinburgh Way on Scartho Park in Grimsby today. We're here to look at this 4-bedroom detached house with separate garage and first floor annex. It's a beautiful property, it's a beautiful day, so let's go and take a look at this one. So you can see the detached house is there to the front with 4 bedrooms, walled garden to the side, and at the back that building there, believe it or not, isn't another house. This is the garage and annex. So a nice private south facing garden with a walled garden, which is unusual. Leads down to this detached building here, which has double garage to the ground floor, still in use, currently used as a gym and storage, with first floor annex, which is a full accommodation including bathroom, living area, kitchen and bedroom. I'm going to take you into the front of this property. It's coming on the market for £375,000. So it's got a nice low maintenance front blue slate garden going in through the front door into the hallway. Let's back up from this hallway and just show you around. Stairs to the first floor, understairs storage with light, back to the front door. In the entrance hall is a cloakroom, stylishly decorated with a vanity sink and WC. And then opposite there is the main lounge, double doors off the hallway. Goes into a beautiful light lounge with a little bay window to the side. French doors to the bottom with 2 further windows down there also. Obviously a window to the front. Patio doors open up onto the rear composite decking. We'll go through to the kitchen dining area. So as you can see, it's a beautiful kitchen, cream kitchen, wood effect worktops, large fridge in situ there, appliances, stainless steel 1.5 sink drainer, double Neff oven, 4-in gas hob with extractor over, opening up to dining room. Lovely big entertaining space there with utility off that room just to the side with space for washing machine and dryer if you so wish. Let's give you another full view of that room. So we'll quickly go into the sunroom just to finish off the ground floor of the accommodation. Then we're going to go upstairs here. You can see this room just off the back of the property has more French doors on to the deck, and I'm going to show you the garden in just a second, but we're going to go upstairs first. So to remind you where we are, Edinburgh Way, Scartho Park in Grimsby. It's a 4-bedroom detached house plus 1-bedroom annex above the garage, the double garage. I'll take you into the master bedroom first. So huge bed inside this room here, with the TV in it. Built-in wardrobes, stylish decor, of course, with an ensuite shower room. Very nicely done. I'll take you straight across here to probably the 3rd bedroom. Fitted wardrobes again just behind the door. This one opens up. Plenty of storage here. Obviously no bed in this bedroom. Nice size though. At the opposite end upstairs is another large bed. It's like a 3/4 bed again with a TV. Fitted wardrobes. Got the freestanding wardrobes, these ones, they can be taken out. Nice sized double bedroom and another double bedroom, so 3 doubles, one slightly smaller. Space for some wardrobes just around the corner there. As you can see, space for a double bed in that room. Built-in storage there, and then of course your family bathroom. So there you have that. The shafter taps, all nicely done. And that's your normal standard 4-bedroom detached house completed with your viewing. Obviously extended out to the rear here. Like I say, coming on the market at 375. Going to have a look at the back garden now. It's a beautiful sunny day to demonstrate the orientation of this property. This is in sun all day, so when it opens up you'll see. You got the decking to the top part of the garden here. The bottom part has been astroturfed with gravel beds. So it's very, very low maintenance. No need for a lawnmower at this property. You can see the sun beaming in the air there. It comes straight onto the back of this property for the whole day. You can see there's some covered entertaining area as well. So we've got a hot tub, which is going to stay in the property, I believe. And I've got some seating here. Just to give you a different view of this. This is absolutely superb for summertime entertaining. Okay, quick look inside the garage. To the ground floor, got a bit of a gym set up and lots of storage. And then the real star of the show, which makes this property completely unique, is this annex to the first floor. It's been absolutely superbly done. You can see here, as we pan around from right to left, we've got a seating area, open up, and sort of separated by a wardrobe and storage area into this kitchen area here, with cooking facilities, storage, oven, sink, everything you need there for a kitchen. And close look at your bedroom with built-in wardrobes, bed, and then of course wouldn't be finished without the bathroom, which is actually a shower room. So you got vanity sink and toilet, and then a large walk-in shower. This area is absolutely superb for teenagers. There's a buy-to-let possibly, and Airbnb, anything like that. Residual income, separate income, if you needed it to be that. If not, it's somewhere for the family to extend into. So we're coming out of this one now, back down through the garden again. Give you one last look at that. A superb property, real value for money, superbly finished throughout from top to bottom. There's nothing that's been missed from this property. It's coming on the market at 375k, so 375,000. I think that's very competitive with others similar on the market. Just walk you back through some of the rooms. If you're interested in this one, please give us a call on 01472 200 666. I think we'll be getting lots of interest on this one. Very unique with the annex attached to it. Book your viewings now.